How to delete your Etsy account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can delete your Etsy account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to delete our Etsy account, all you have to do is just go to etsy.com and then make sure that you're signed into your account. Then once you're signed into your account, what you want to do is click on the profile icon, which is at the top right hand side of the screen, and then here you simply want to go to the option called account settings. So just navigate to account settings. Once you go to account settings, you can see different type of tabs. You just want to make sure that you're of course under the account tab over here, and when you're under the account tab, just scroll down to the bottom and then look for the option called close account. So over here you can see close your account. What happens when you close your account? A little bit of details, and then want to permanently delete your account, then all you need to do is select the option called close account right over here. So once you go ahead and simply enter the close account button, it'll ask you for your Etsy account's password. So make sure to just go ahead and then enter your Etsy's account's password, and then once you enter your Etsy password, all you need to do is just click on the close account button right over here in order to successfully delete your Etsy account. And that's all it takes to delete your Etsy account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.